Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through Frame.io, the cloud-based video review and collaboration platform designed to eliminate messy feedback loops, endless email chains, and confusing timestamps for freelance editors and production teams alike. At its core, this software serves as a centralized hub where you can upload raw video files, rough cuts, or high-definition timelines and share them instantly with clients or teammates through a single, beautifully organized web link. The true magic of the platform lies in its frame-accurate commenting engine, which allows anyone viewing your shared link to pause the playback at an exact millisecond and type a note or draw directly on the video screen using intuitive annotation tools. This completely removes the guesswork from your editing revisions because instead of a client saying, "Fix that clip somewhere in the middle," you get an exact visual marker telling you precisely what to alter, which automatically populates a neat interactive checklist right inside your software. Frame.io also integrates seamlessly into industry-standard editing applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro, meaning client comments sync directly to your active timeline as live markers, letting you check off revisions without ever leaving your edit suite. The latest version 4 upgrade takes things even further by introducing highly advanced custom metadata tagging, a re-engineered nested folder system for seamless asset organization, automated transcription for audio dialogues, and significantly faster parallel file upload speeds via their dedicated transfer app. In terms of onboarding cost, Frame.io offers a limited free trial option to test out basic functions, while the professional tier starts at $15 per member each month, unlocking 2 terabytes of shared cloud storage, advanced password security, and custom presentation branding to match your company logo. Ultimately, if you are tired of text messages or clunky file sharing apps delaying your post-production approvals, adopting Frame.io will radically accelerate your video workflow, keeping your clients happy and your delivery deadlines perfectly on track. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.